Alright, what's up everyone? I'm here to bring you a video update on VeChain. I see a few very interesting things happening with VeChain here. We are near an apex point, very likely to see a big move soon. So in this video, I'm going to run through some TA and just kind of talk about what I see happening both short term and long term. So guys, like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell to be notified of new uploads because we've been killing it. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and you get to stay up to date with the latest and greatest of TA. Guys, I was saying making videos way back over here that if we break below this green support line, we're likely to fall to this level. And this is where I would be looking to accumulate, and this is exactly where we fell back down to, and exactly where we found support. I said recently, both in our Discord link down in the description below, and I'm pretty sure in the videos, although I do forget, to be honest. We make a lot of videos here, folks. That 3 cents was the key resistance level for VeChain. Once it gets above 3 cents, I believe it's going to continue to make very interesting moves. And look at this, we are above the significant resistance point of 3 cents. We can see how this, yeah, just below 3 cents was like here was this range was very strong support, and we've broken above it. I love VeChain because it loves to fake people out, guys. Look at this. Look how it's so. Look at this. We broke below support and then pumped. Here we were kind of forming like this bull flag, and we broke below support and then pumped. It loves to fake people out. VeChain loves to shake out weak hands, folks. And VeChain is a long-term bag hold, in my opinion, guys. I'm not going to be shaken out. I wouldn't care if VeChain lost 50% of its value. I'm not selling because I think VeChain in the long term has a very good chance of doing very well, because VeChain, for those who don't know, is the leader in its niche. Its niche being VeChain aims to improve supply chains and logistics through tracking on the blockchain. It's the leader in its niche. I'm super bullish on VeChain, and we are near an apex, folks. We are back within, you know, kind of like this broadening channel slash ascending triangle here. Okay, and we are kind of within more of this micro ascending triangle near an apex here. We're likely to see a big move with VeChain within the next 5 days max. I think we're likely to see a bigger move sooner rather than later. I wouldn't be surprised in the next day or two we see we test this resistance level, the 323. If we can break above 323, like 3 cents too, then I think we're tackling this level here. If we're tackling this level here, I think this thing could really fly, folks. VeChain looks absolutely insane. Let's see if we can do a Fibonacci extension, try and like see where we could go here. So whenever we do a Fibonacci extension, we take the bottom of the impulse to the height, and then the bottom of the retracement, and that kind of gets you some kind of significant support and resistance levels that we could break out to. So let's do a few things here to try and gauge where VeChain could go. Let's take, let's start off with a conservative scenario. Let's take the height of this ascending triangle. Let's be very conservative here and move it here. Okay, yeah, I think kind of the let's be really conservative here. I'd say 4.8 cents. If VeChain could break above the key resistance level of 323 and 3.56, I think 4.7 cents is just a matter of time, which would be kind of like a 35% move up. Yeah, if we break above this move here, I think we can pump 35% easily, very easily. Well, obviously not immediately, but over the span of maybe a few weeks, a month or so, I think something like that makes sense, right? So key resistance level here and here, and in terms of where I would be looking to accumulate, where support is, well, guys, honestly, we flipped 3 cents was resistance. We flipped 3 cents, so I think now 3 cents is going to act as support. So honestly, I would be looking to accumulate VeChain if you can get at 3 cents to 2.7, 2.8. That's where I would personally be looking to accumulate. No guarantee that we fall back down that low, guys. We are within this apex. I think since we broke out, we're very likely to test these key resistance levels, guys. If we get above these key resistance levels, I think VeChain is hitting 4 cents and above sooner rather than later. And in terms of like long-term price predictions, I'm talking like 9-10 months down the road. I mean, 50 cents to $1 is what I've been saying, guys. Ultimately, nobody knows for fun. Nobody knows for sure how high VeChain is gonna go, but I think what's better, and instead of having like certain price targets, I think it's better to sell based off time frames, because I think this bull run is likely to peak off around the end of 2021. I think Bitcoin's likely to peak off September, October. VeChain and the altcoins likely to peak off roughly a month after Bitcoin. So I think whatever VeChain gives you, whatever the market gives you, around September, October, November this year is when you should be looking to scale out. I mean, again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Forgive me. I don't want to word things in a way where I'm telling people what to do. My hope in creating these videos is that you take what I say and you do more research and incorporate it into your own trading plan, your own strategy. But I do think VeChain is likely to peak out sometime around then, and I will be personally scaling out slowly over time, late third quarter, early fourth quarter this year, whatever the price happens to be. You know, if September rolls around and VeChain's at 20 cents or VeChain's at $1, whatever it is, that's when I'll be looking to scale out. So while I do think 50 cents to $1 makes some sense for VeChain, I think 50 cents kind of more likely. I'm more so basing this off time frames, and I think you should consider that as well. So guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Check out our Discord, link for that will be down in the description below to get all our setups, all the articles, all the interesting stuff we're looking at as well. If you guys want to trade these markets, I highly encourage you to check out bybit, link down in the description below. Do not invest or trade anything you're not willing to lose. Leverage trading is very risky. And check out Token Metrics. It's an AI fueled price predictions and portfolio suggestions platform that I use to help inform my research and my thought process. Link down in the description. They offer like a paid trial, $10 for a week or something. And yeah, guys, bottom line is we're in an apex here. We're likely to see a big move within the next five or so days here. Whatever way we break out of this thing, it's going to be very telling for future price action. And kind of the more macro trend here, I'll leave you guys with this, is we have, you know, maybe 14 days, 13 days, really 12 to 14 days before we see a breakout out of this very macro wedge. Whatever way we break out of this macro wedge will be very telling for future price action. So guys, take care.